Hello and welcome everyone. Today we will be making fruit custard. Take a heavy bottom pan over medium heat and add 500 ml of milk and let it come to a boil. In the meantime, cut your fruits. Take 1 apple and dice, 4 to 5 strawberries and dice, 2 bananas also diced, and any other fruit of your choice. Take half cup of cold milk and add 3 tablespoons of custard powder and mix well to combine. Add this mixture to the boiled milk and mix well. Keep stirring continuously on slow heat for 2 to 3 minutes. To this add 1/4 cup of sugar and mix. Once it thickens, transfer to a bowl and let it cool down to room temperature before refrigerating for 2 to 3 hours. Now take a small serving cup and add 1 layer of cut fruits, top with cold custard, and add another layer of fruits on top. Your fruit custard is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and comment what recipes you want to see in the future. And until next time, keep cooking.